Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 24th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles left. The Tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block. And this one, you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary, because it's the binary time now. It's binary time. And this one will be number, I believe, 6018. 6018. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits, I believe. Yeah, 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here one, there one. Double, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Then. Let me think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. Yeah. We have only one completed row. Can I compare? No. No. Well. Yeah. Between two O's comes in 1. Overlook this, both O's. Now we have double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, now we have 2 completed rows. And I cannot do anything here. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. O, here no. O. We can compare this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, O, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Then 3 O's. Need to think again. Look to this row and that row to the O's. Here we have a first O, second O, third O. The fourth O in this row is here. I cannot place the fourth O there, otherwise we will have identical rows. So this box should be a 1 then. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not helping me. We have a double 1 here, no. Think. 3. Yeah. Yeah. We have 3 completed columns. Can I do something with here? 001. Yeah. This column and that column. Look, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box 1 1 0 0. We need to switch those two digits. Oh, wrong. These two digits. Yeah. Oh, almost made a mistake. Almost made a mistake. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If you made a mistake, then it will be very hard to recover, to trace the error. Alright, we have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double check. Correct. So within 6 minutes. Only 2 or 3 times for comparing. But we solve it again, and I like this one here. So we do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.